nuts.
You might have to biff a little more, Callie.
Yeah, you might have to biff a little more.
You up for some more biffing?
But wait, he has to tell her there's no biffing.
Excuse me, little girl. Little girl. Excuse me. Ahem. Little girl. I need to speak with you. Little girl. Excuse me. May I have a word with you? May I have a word with you? Excuse me.
No.
There's absolutely no biffing in this room. There's no biffing and definitely no bouncing at all. Did you hear what I said? I said no bouncing. Oh, oh. But excuse me.
Yes?
You know what there is? Tickling. And I said there will be tickling. Tickling is permitted.
Come here. Closer.
My universe is
Oh no!
biffing is definitely right out.
Give him a good biff, Callie.
Yeah.
Get this pillow off the top.
I'm over here. No. Excuse me. I'm over here. Shoot, shoot. I'm over here now. I move fast. I'm over here. Shoot, shoot.
Give him a
Castle.
biff him, honey.
You have to biff me. Missed. I'm too quick.
Let's do a castle.
Got some biffs.
Huh?
Just give him one good biff. Really good one.